Take your truck to new heights with this excellent option for GM HD models. This kit features a set of high-quality tubular upper control arms with Clevite rubber bushings for enhanced durability. These arms are designed to promote a factory-like geometry by keeping the ball joint at optimum angles after lifting. This design allows for an improved full range of motion from the ball joint with less stress, wear, and tear. This kit also features a set of durable forged torsion bar keys, offering uncompromised strength and rigidity over factory keys. A set of front and rear nitrogen-charged shocks are also included in the kit, giving your truck incredible ride quality both on and off-road. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need, and installation is a piece of cake compared to other kits on the market. Once installed, this kit gives your truck plenty of ride height to run larger tires while offering a clean, level look from front to rear.